and welcome to the next video in my massive optimization series to help you find success with your Google grants in-house. Today we are going to be going over how you can check your ads and keywords, check the approval of both of those. So we're right here in the document, and basically at times Google may disapprove both ads and keywords, so it is necessary to have a check-in to make sure that none are disapproved. If you do see any disapprovals, you make the updates as necessary. If these are disapproved due to like a bogus policy reason or some wild trademark that just is not correct, you'll want to appeal these directly in the platform to get them re-reviewed. So to do that, you'll just hover over the status and hit appeal. So this process is changing a little bit. So the process might be, a bit slightly different when we were watching this video. However, the way to check will remain the same. So in the account, I'm just going to show you the ad layer because I cannot find any disapproved keywords to save my life in all of my grant accounts. So in order to check, you want to come into the ads and then you want to add the column status. So to start typing in status to find it, and then you want to do not eligible, eligible limited. So these are two of the statuses I generally like to take a look on. Hit apply. And now you can see that there are quite a number of ads that are disapproved. So the one that I would prioritize, of course, is the one that's not eligible. So this is disapproved due to destination not working. So basically it's saying that the destination or the final URL from the ad is not working. So you want to go ahead and double check that this URL works. So you want to go ahead and just open this URL and it looks like access denied, so it doesn't actually work. So what we'd want to do is hit the pencil icon and update the final URL to drive this to the correct landing page. Once you do make changes to the ad, it will go back under approval. So hopefully the ad will be then approved in about 24 hours. So that's fairly seamless, quite simple thing to go ahead and fix up. Another things that you'll see, and you'll see potentially heaps of these if you are in like healthcare or any of like the those industries that do not allow personalized advertising. So eligible limited. So this basically says that Google is showing your ad, but not at full capacity. They're limiting when they're showing it. This is saying due to clinical trial recruitment. So this is an example where it's a bogus claim. So they think that we are promoting clinical trial recruitment in this ad or on the landing page. But I know in fact that we aren't. So in this scenario, all we do is hover over the status, hit appeal, and then you want to dispute the decision and then go ahead and check all of the affected ads in the campaign. Hit submit. Okay, so now that's changed to track appeal. Now you can at any time go track appeal and see if your appeal has been approved or denied. Okay, so generally it takes about 24 to 48 hours to hear back on those appeals. However, like eligible limited, health and personalized advertising, you're always going to see this if you are in the health industry regardless, right? So you can still, like you can see, it's still spending, you can still get clicks, you can still definitely get conversions, but if it is a health-centric advertisement and website, it's almost always going to be eligible limited. So with this, there is a form that you can fill out to get approved, basically to run educational information on, whatever that is that you do. So there is a form that you can fill out, and I'll go ahead and make a note just to include that form. I'll include the link below. But go ahead, if you are in the health industry, apply for basically an exemption to be able to run those more health education-centric advertisements for your Google grant. So that's sort of step one, apply for the exemption. Step two, if you're still getting the eligible limited, that's just something unfortunately you're going to have to live with because every health account is eligible limited. So it's probably not just you, it's just something that you do have to live with. All right, so that is quickly how to go over. Again, you can do the exact same thing at the keyword level. So at the search keywords, if you see any disapproved keywords due to trademark, generally is what you'll see, change them up, appeal them, whatever you've got to do to get them up. and then you should be sweet, off to the races. So that is quickly how to check the approval status of both ads and keywords, looking for those that are not eligible or eligible limited, and how to appeal if you want, after you make changes, to get that up and running. If you want my optimization guide, that'll have 30 plus optimizations that you can implement in your Google Grant today to get better performance. I'm going to include that link below, and hopefully you can grab that so that you have a list of everything you should be doing in your Google Grants account. And I will see you in the next video, so get excited.